Hi, it's Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, and in this video, we're going to teach you how to clean the grout on a kitchen backsplash. Let me show you how it's done. I'm here with Lenny Sciarrino, the president and CEO of Granite Gold. Now, your company is known for great cleaners, sealers, polishes, even disinfectants for countertops, even flooring. But you have a grout cleaner. We're going to talk a little bit about cleaning grout on a backsplash, but you can clean any kind of grout with this, and it's different from a lot of different products on the market.
Yes, so with our products, we always make stuff for our consumer. So we get a lot of questions about grout and how do you clean it and how do I make sure it's safe for stone, because a lot of grout cleaners are infused with bleach and actually damage the stone. It etches it. And another thing too is most grout cleaners, just spraying it on, not doing anything, really doesn't work. So we came up with a product that is safe on stone, safe on colored grout, and we actually include a nylon bristle brush that won't damage stone. So you spray it on, you scrub it, and you wipe it off. Right. And it's done.
But you can use this not only on a backsplash, but just about any tile, bathroom, shower area, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, so you can use it on ceramic, marble, and you'll actually notice when you actually clean the grout joint, an inch or two will also be clean. So it's actually good to spray the entire surface, scrub what you want, and wipe it all down so it all matches.
Nice deep cleaning.
Nice deep cleaning. It's a great deep cleaner as well.
That's great. And that's it. If you'd like more information, go to acehardware.com. Follow us on our YouTube channel, or better yet, stop by your neighborhood Ace Hardware store, because Ace is the helpful place.